I have never been kayaking when I bought my first kayak. Bought it for a week ago, and the beginning was uh, when the first day I had the kayak. I was training rolls because I'm quite sure that the roll is the most efficient way to get up if you capsize. And I was trying the roll a couple of times, but I didn't made it. I think it was about 2 hours or so, and I feel like that was impossible to manage to do a roll. But I went inside and I watched some YouTube clips of other people making rolls, and many good videos when they tell you exactly the steps in the roll. That time I got it, and I have done everything wrong. So I feel like now I know how to do it, but I was not sure I could do it. But when I tried it after, I got so great power in the roll, so I just roll over the other way and ended up upside down again. And I thought that, wow, it was really easy when you do it right. So I just did it again, but don't use that much force that I did the first time, and I came up easy, and there was no problem. Then I trained, so I have one roll that I know I can do always. I made a few trips after that and tried different paddling techniques. I was quite well prepared for doing a overnighter on my own with the kayak. So today I was in the lake Svegssjön in Sweden, and I started in Moset. The weather was great and no waves at all, so it was really easy and a very nice experience. I landed on an island. That island was made of sand. All the way around it was sand. So it was just sand, but it was tree on it, but no stones. So I decided to move on and see if I could find another one. And I found this island that was it was sand on one side and stones on the other, 10 meters wide and maybe 60 meters long. So I landed on the sand beach on one side. That was nice.